Hi, I'm Divya. Thank you for taking the time to review my project. For this challenge, I'm submitting a solution I have named Voiceflow. This is the main interface of Voiceflow. The platform collects simple inputs through Voiceflow agent, sends them to make users OpenAI to create a customized story, convert it into a PDF, and email the PDF link back to the user. As soon as the page loads, you will notice a moving button that says click the chat icon below to talk to me. When the user clicks on the chat icon, my Voiceflow agent Wispy appears on the screen. From there, Wispy welcomes the user and begins collecting the details needed to create their custom story. Now I would like to show you how Wispy creates a story in real time. So this is the conversational interface the user interacts with. Wispy starts by introducing herself as the tiny story helper from Voiceflow, and she explains the process in a very simple way, that she will ask a few questions and then create a magical story that will be sent as a PDF. So the user begins by entering their name, their child's name, and Wispy immediately responds in a friendly and encouraging tone. She then asks for their child's age, which helps shape the tone of the story. Next, Wispy asks what kind of adventure they want. In this example, the user chooses a dragon adventure. After that, she asks for a favorite animal to include the story, and here the user picks a rabbit. Then Wispy asks about the mood of the story, whether it should be silly, magical, or calm. In this case, the user chooses silly. And Wispy confirms she will create a silly dragon adventure featuring a rabbit. So finally, Wispy asks for the user's email address so she knows where to send the finished story. She confirms the email one more time, and once the user says yes, Wispy passes all this information to which then creates the personalized story, converts it to a PDF, and sends it to the user. In the next part, I will explain how make.com creates the story and emails the PDF link to the user. Here, Wispy is making sure the email address is correct. So when the user say yes, then I'm just showing the make flow. So here you can see the user is typing a yes. So we are going to the make page. So what happens here is, this is the make scenario that power the story creation. Once Wispy collects the user's details, they are sent into make through a custom webhook. Make then uses OpenAI to generate a personalized story. Then JSON steps cleans and formats the response, and the API template turns the story into a nicely designed PDF. Finally, Gmail sends the PDF link directly to the user's email address. All those details I'll be attaching as a screenshot. Yeah, thank you. That's it.